Hey guys, Aaron Statzer with Coval Technologies, coming today from Houston, Texas. Today we're at one of our really good contractors' facilities. They've got a trailer back behind me that's about 5 or 6 years old that needs a little bit of refresh. So today we're going to show you how to put down our Coval Metal. Coval Metal is a great surface protector for all metal surfaces, painted and non-painted. There's two application methods. It can be sprayed through an HVLP sprayer or can be applied by hand using a microfiber applicator. All right guys, this trailer back behind me has already been washed and dried. We've done a quick solvent wipe. Now we're ready to apply. A few things you're gonna need. You wanna have some nitrile gloves. We've got a little container and a microfiber applicator. Because like I said, we're gonna be wiping this on by hand. Let's go do it. Installing Coval Metal is that easy. Once this dries, they're gonna be able to keep this trailer much cleaner, a whole lot easier. A couple things to keep in mind. Make sure your prep's done right, it's nice and clean, you've done a tack wipe, mind your drips during the application process, and keep a rag and some acetone by just in case you drip on something that you don't want Coval to stick to. Other than that, you're good to go.